Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with the iconic KTM Rally Replica 450cc. This is the dream of most rally riders, the perfect Dakar bike, built for Dakar by KTM, has incredible features and an incredible price because it's approximately 33,000 euros. Not really an entry-level bike, but with this bike you can go and perform well. So if you're aiming at a good result, you can potentially be top 10 at Dakar. This said, even if the bike costs 33,000 euros, they say it's ready to race, but actually sort of, mostly. There are a few things that need to be done. First of all, what we're going to do, this is the bike of Gilberto Facco. I built for him a 450cc. I'll show you somewhere the video I made with him. He is a rider on which we will do some videos because he started riding a BMW GS to the bar some years ago. Then he got a bit into off-road and now we are preparing him with a really tight schedule to get to Dakar 2023, and you know, this will be his training bike. First of all, the first modifications we will do to the KTM Rally Replica is we're going to install a second Tripmaster. We will go with the RNS GFX Pro version 2. In this way he will have compass heading, but also he will have internal GPS antenna, and we will also wire it to the wheel, so it's like having two trips in one. Further on we will install a speedo cap and then all the devices needed from ERTF and ERITRAC to participate in World Championship rallies. But that will be a separate video where I'll teach you how to put everything on and what you need. The other modifications we're gonna do will be on the seat. The Rally Replica comes with an Alcantara seat cover. Problem with this seat cover is if it rains and if it's cold, and for example in the morning where there's a lot of humidity, this keeps all the wet. It stays soaked wet. Very uncomfortable for your ass. For this reason, we are putting the Selle dalla Valle factory rally seat cover. This is what the factory riders use, and it has a different type of leather, a quick dry leather, and an extra layer of memory foam to have a better cushion in the rear part of the seat, so more comfort for the liaisons, but also thanks to the camels, a better grip when sliding towards the back of the bike. If you're a Rally Replica owner, you will wonder, where will I get the power to power the Tripmaster? Potentially we will also use for certain events a tablet and maybe a second Tripmaster or another speedo cap. Today I'll teach you where you can pick up the power and what connectors you need, because on this bike it's really simple to get both either continuous power even when the bike is turned off, but also power that is delivered only when the bike is running. And this is what we are going to do with the Tripmaster. We will attach it in order that only when the bike is turned on we have power, because the GFX has the internal antenna and we don't want this to drain the battery. Okay, we are at the end of the small tweak we did to the KTM Rally Replica of Gilberto. We changed the seat cover, so now he can ride also in the rain and in the mud and always will have his ass dry. Then we added the Tripmaster, the RNS GFX 2 Pro. The next step will be, we'll also change the thumb switch to command the roadbook and the Tripmaster, because we will have two Tripmaster and also a speedo cap. We will go with the dual switch always from RNS. One important thing you should know is that if you want to change the handlebar switch on your KTM Rally Replica, you'll need a specific connector. It's a 4-pin connector that goes and plugs in under the lower Tripmaster. Giacomo will show it to you in a B-roll. These connectors are not so easy to find, but if you contact rebelexports.com, they always have all the connectors of your bike in stock. Same goes for the Tripmaster. To wire the Tripmaster and get power, you'll need a 2-pin connector, because the KTM Rally Replica has 2 power outputs here on the tower. Really useful. One is supposed to be for the Erie track, so continuous power, and the other one is for like another Tripmaster or other devices. Also, these connectors are not so easy to find, and sometimes on KTM they are on back order for quite a while, so again, be sure to contact Rebel if you have a Rally Replica. But now let me introduce you to the special guest of today, Gibraltar 2021 winner, and I'll be his coach, and I'm currently his coach, the great Gilberto Facco, getting ready for the Dakar Rally.
Yes.
Just 3 years ago, he was just a normal GS rider doing wheelies to go to the bar and getting noticed by the ladies. Now he's here with a full program, which we started last year with the first 450cc we built for him. His debut was in the Sardinia Legend Rally. You know, even 1 year he won Gibraltar race, so it means we're doing a good job, both of us. And now next step is Dakar, so the very tight schedule in 2022. I'd say a pro rider schedule, and Dakar 2023.
23 or 24 or 27.
But 23 you
to see what happened.
But in 2023 you'll have the discount because I'm racing too.
Okay,
so
okay. So it's an opportunity.
Yeah, a big opportunity.
Okay, I think about it.
We're at the end of this video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel because we'll do a series of videos showing Gilberto and his preparation. He'll give me the chance also to test his KTM Rally Replica, so we can do also a review of this bike and show it more in details. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao! Gilberto still is not so convinced, but I told him we need to do a proper graphic on this bike, so that will be one of the times he leaves the bike here. When he comes back to pick it up, he'll find it with a full decal on.